Hey everyone, welcome back to Sashi Shared, where we become knowledgeable by sharing. Today we are going to dive into something really important. If you are migrating your application from .NET 4.7 to .NET 8 or .NET 10, the nameplate security model has changed quite a bit. Let's understand what's changed, why it matters, and how you can fix your code after the migration. So here you can see like all right in 4.7.2 I use the name pipe. So pipe security model has defined its security right inside the constructor. Basically you have to declare your security, and that security you can pass inside the named server pipe stream with a constructor value. So overloading has been given in this way. So when you are migrating to 10, you will get a error suddenly. What? That it's not giving anymore the security constructor. Let me show you. I will show in my VM where I have the .NET 10 application, and I will paste the same code now. See, here the name security, pipe security is gone. Okay, so you cannot access anymore the security. So here is the security declaration. I will put it for you. See, the server stream is not giving any constructor value. So what it is saying? So basically it is saying that it does not have a overload. Okay, if you go actually to the definition, you cannot find its security. See here. So it does not have the constructor security in it. So that's the issue. So now how you can migrate? So this is one of the .NET 10 application where I have it. So there will be two way. Either you declare the security and later on add it like this. So declare the security, then you have to you have to pass that one inside the rule. So you have to set access the rule so that it will give you the constructor access. Okay, so this is the first way. So where you can set your rule through the security server. Okay, pipe access rule. So you can set this way. Second way is the your actual one. So basically what you'll find your constructor have its overloaded. Why? Because it have stream ACL. So .NET 8 and 10 further they introduced a new method inside the a class named type server ACL, so which is having a create method. Inside that you can pass your similar parameters, all the parameters with the security, so which will give you a return of the named pipe server stream, so which is basically your server stream accordingly. So that's the bigger change in this. Okay. So the recommended approach is to use named pipe server stream ACL class introduced in .NET 8 or 10. This gives you more control, keeps your code cleaner. So what you learn from this? Basically, the 4.7.2 has security passed directly through the constructor, but in .NET 8 or 10, it's gone. So the fix is either you apply the security later used or use the name pipe server stream ACL create, so that you'll get as it is here. So if you're migrating a project, this one is choose those silent changes can break your build, but now you know how to handle it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because we grow by sharing the knowledge. See you in the next one. Thank you.